So the next binder that we have is this binder from TCGUARD. So this one holds about 540 cards, and it's a 3x3 binder. Now, what I've come to realize when it comes to actually collecting Pokemon cards is that I am starting to prefer 4x4 card binders, or even 3x4, just because it gives me a lot more visual look when it comes to actually looking at my cards. But you can see here it holds about 540 cards. They are side loaders. Now, compared to the other binders that I've held and tested out before, this one actually feels extremely sturdy. So you can see it's kind of like made out of a leather. And if you don't like it's not dirt that you see right over here, it's more so just part of the design. But it is a nice zippered closed binder that you see right over here. Very easy to use, holds a good amount. This will practically fit all collections or all sets, so Surging Sparks, Twilight Masquerade, Paldea Evolve, just because of how many cards it's able to hold. And again, this is just due to preference as far as 3x3. I personally am starting to like more the 4x3 or the 4x4s, just because it allows for more visual looking when it comes to looking back at my collection and such. But this one from TCGUARD did kind of exceed my expectations just because it feels great to actually hold. And with it, it is a nice zippered binder, but let's go ahead and move on to the next one.